Hi everyone, this is Dikshit. Welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'll be showing how to secure your passwords or whatever the sensitive information. So when you give it in your job, as a plain text, so it will be accessible for many people. So how to secure those things, I'll be showing in this particular video. So let's get into some job. So I'll go into triggers underscore test. So click on configure. So here my requirement is I need to log in for my hub.docker.com. So just let me go to build part. So execute shell. Now I need to do docker login, and then I'll supply the username as Dikshit SN and hyphen P. And if I shouldn't pass my password as plain text, because many people might have the configure access. And also if let's say many people doesn't have configure access, so if you give as a plain text here, so in the console they'll be able to see your password. So that's the reason. So there is a specific way, so wherein you can hide the passwords. So whenever you need, you can use an interpolation, and then you can use them. So to hide that, so we have something called as use a secret text. So just click on this. So then, so you can give a variable name, any variable name. So let me create the new variable itself. So just click on add and secret text. So let me give it as docker pass. Okay, password. And so if you want to add, so I've already have the password. So let me create it again. So click on Jenkins, and this particular prompt will gonna come. So use a secret text and give some secret, the password, so actual value and the ID. So let me give it as docker doc. I'll just give it as pass, doc pass. Okay. So when you click here, so that particular value should be able to listed in this drop down. Just select that. And now if you want to use this value, so just use it with dollar. This will call it as interpolation, and just click on save, and then click on build. So yeah, it's building. So as you can see, here, so docker login hyphen u, Dikshit SN hyphen p, and password is like start out. So this is how you can secure your password, so which will be not visible in your job, and also it is not visible in console also. So that's all for this video. If you have liked the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.